5 smartwatches to watch in 2024. Apple Watch 10, Samsung Galaxy, Watch 7 and more. The smartwatch industry is gearing up for an exciting 2024, with several anticipated releases from leading brands. Among these, the Apple Watch 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 are generating significant buzz, promising new technologies and advanced health monitoring features. 2024 might see the debut of the Apple Watch 10 around September, potentially celebrating the original Apple Watch's 10th anniversary with a new design. Speculation includes a thinner case and a brighter display, although a switch to micro-LED technology seems unlikely this time around. Health monitoring is set to take a leap forward in the Apple Watch 10, with Bloomberg reporting capabilities to detect sleep apnea and hypertension. These additions could greatly benefit users by identifying potentially life-threatening conditions early. The upcoming Apple Watch is also expected to ship with watchOS 11 pre-installed, offering enhanced battery life and a new magnetic mechanism for strap attachment. The Google Pixel Watch 3 is anticipated to say farewell to its bulky bezel, aiming for a sleeker design. While a buttonless, gesture-based interface has been hinted at, it's still under speculation. Wish list features for the Google Pixel Watch 3 include multiple sizes, improved battery life, a brighter display, and wireless charging support. However, more concrete details are likely to emerge at the I/O conference in May.